Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Mahdi English School. My dear students, this is the class of Standard 1. I myself, Asma Miss, your maths teacher. So now you all know that we are going to learn mathematics. After a long vacation, welcome back to all of you towards your school. I hope you all have enjoyed your vacation period. Now, let's go back to the school time and start learning. First, we will start with a very good thought. Thought for the day is no pain, no gain. Gain means to achieve. So, if you want to achieve something, you have to work hard. You have to feel pain. Then and then only you will be able to achieve something. In short, we can say that no pain, no gain. Once again, welcome to the new academic year 2021-22. So my dear students, let's begin our writing part. You all are coming here after completing UKG section. And yes, you all spend a lots of time during vacation. So, first we will start with basic. We make a revision like a bridge from UKG to first standard. So first we are going to start the section of revision. First of all, write the date and day on the right corner. Look, my dear students, whenever you all are come to school, you all are having a classroom. Right now, you all are learning through which medium? Yes, online medium. During online studies, you get facilities to learn with the help of very colorful board. Right now your mobile and this video is for your help. It's like your classroom. So now look, this is your colorful blackboard. We can say colorful board, not blackboard. So write the date and day on the right corner. Now write the heading. I will dictate very slowly so that you all can complete it. NUMBERS, numbers. 1 to 50. 50. N should be capital here. You can take your own time to complete the work. Numbers 1 to 50. Now before we move on, let me tell you, my dear students, as this is the lecture of mathematics. So for mathematics we are using square line book. Which book? Square line book. So you have to prepare 2 books. One is for rough work, one is for fair work. How can you use it? During online classroom and lecture, you have to write it in your rough book or class workbook. Whenever I send you the notes regarding fair book, you have to complete that work in your maths fair book. Okay? So right now you have to write in your rough book. Write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Write properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. Make sure that your handwritings must be good. Okay. Is everyone completed? Fine. Now leave at least one line and then write 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1 to 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now leave some space and then write 2 1 21. 2 1 21. 2 2 22. 2 2 22. 2 3 23. 2 4 24. 2 5 25. 2 6 26. 2 7 27. 2 8 28. 2 9 29. 3 0 30. Is everyone writing with me? Check your handwritings. Is your handwritings good? You write in squares. Very good. Let me repeat one more time. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30. So, here we have completed numbers 1 to 30. Move on to the next. Three, 1, 31. 3 1 31. 3 2 32. 3 2 32. 3 3 33. 3 4 34. 3 5 35. 3 6 36. 3 7 37. 3 8 38. 3 9 39. 4 0 40. One more time. Check your handwritings, everyone. I repeat one more time. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Now leave some space and then write. Okay. 4, 1, 41. 4, 1, 41. 4, 2, 42. 42. 4, 3, 43. 4, 3, 43. 4, 4, 44. 4, 5, 45. 4, 6, 46. 4, 7, 47. 4, 8, 48. 4, 9, 49. 5, 0, 50. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So, tell me, everyone has completed? Check your handwritings. Is it good? You all have enjoyed? Good. Look, my dear students, as we have just started our session, so we will go through this way only. First, we will make a revision, build up the bridge. Then we move towards our textbook as well as fair book. So, it is necessary that you all join classes, you all copy the classwork. During Google Meet also you have to come, so that you all can learn well. So, my dear students, as current situation is not so well, so you all have to stay at your home. Everyone at your home, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye bye everyone.